The trial of Noel Maitland for Donna Lee Donaldson's murder to begin tomorrow. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The trial for Constable Noel Maitland, who is implicated in the 2022 killing of his girlfriend, Donna Lee Donaldson, will begin tomorrow in the Home Circuit Court after the court gave permission for 3 witnesses to testify remotely. The proceedings will open with the empaneling of the jury. The trial was scheduled to start on April 28, but had been delayed by the special measures application by the prosecution, in which the court's permission was being sought. Maitland, who has been in custody since July 27, 2022, is charged with the murder and preventing the lawful burial of a corpse. Donna Lee, a 24-year-old social media influencer, went missing on July 13, 2022 after she was last seen at Maitland's home 2 days earlier. Prosecutors have disclosed that forensic analysis established that bloodstains reportedly found on curtains and on a pair of sneakers inside Maitland Chelsea Minor St. Andrew apartment were from the missing woman. The court also heard that on July 13, the constable allegedly took a sofa to a car wash to be cleaned, claiming that his cousin had injured himself and had messed up the furniture. According to an attendant who assisted Maitland, the couch had alarming volume of blood. Maitland had also reportedly hired a truck driver to transport the couch and had also reportedly tried to trick the landlord into deleting closed-circuit television footage at his apartment. The prosecutor had further revealed that a cell site analysis showed that Donna Lee Donaldson's mobile phone was last located on the network on July 12 in the vicinity of Maitland's apartment, and Maitland's cell phone was in the same location at the same time. Attorney at law Christopher Townsend and Chadwick Berry, Sanjay Simit, and Casey and Kennedy Sherman are representing Maitland. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.